I'm going to show you how you can easily get a YouTube TV student discount. YouTube TV does not currently offer a student discount or a special student plan. However, students can still save money by using free trials, sharing a family plan, or looking for promo deals. Some credit cards or cashback apps may offer discounts on streaming services. You can also check Google's official promotions page for any new deals. If YouTube TV ever adds a student plan, it will likely require a valid student ID or email for verification. Meanwhile, consider alternatives like Hulu, Sling TV, or Philo, which may have student discounts. Also, pausing your subscription during school breaks can help save money. Keep an eye on YouTube TV's website for any updates. Easy-to-understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.